You know, another soft spot besides the polar regions is that caldera out there, out west, Yellowstone in that region. What really keeps that anchored and in place, the Rocky Mountains. It doesn't need the weight and the cork type capabilities of an ice cap over top of it to keep it stable. But it's going to be one of the first places to go once we get into this redistribution of mass and water weight as the planet starts to reflect what's happening with that redistribution. So basically, if you live in that part of the country, I think you can make out a little bit of Washington up there. It ain't looking so good. Of course, we'd rather have smartphones, instant communication, uploads, people snorting milk on YouTube, getting 3 million views for doing that. Those things are so much more important than what we're looking at here. Enjoy it while it lasts.